Hello everybody, welcome back to HardResetInfo channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily use a search bar in the server on Discord. So as you guys can see, here we have an option to search for any information on the server. So we got search HardReset. HardReset is our server name. So if you have the name, for example, welcome, so there will be it will be search welcome. The search bar is in the top right corner of our screen. Now here we can select from a specific user, sent in a specific channel, includes a specific type of data like link, emb, or file, also mentions about a specific user, and more filters like dates, order type, and etc. So here, let's go over from a specific user. We're gonna choose HardReset.Info, and as you guys can see, it is indexing everything. So as you guys can see, we got 6 results. If we go to filters in, let's select general and has, let's say maybe not anything, but let's say apply filters. And now we can also provide what we want to search for. So for example, in general and hello. As you guys can see, we got 2 results. If I delete, for example, from, then in general, here we have all of the hellos. Now, for example, yes, we got 2 results. So this is all on this channel. If I type in hard reset, then also we get a result. So that's how it will look like. And that's how you guys can use a search bar. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.